Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to unarchive your task from your boards on Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Monday website by going to your browser and type monday.com and then type enter, and you will be able to access the website. After that, you will need to create an account by signing up with your email, and if you don't have and if you do already have an account, just log in into it and then follow the simple steps. So basically the first thing that you need to do is to go to your work management or working space and then access to your board, and here we will find our board views. And basically I only have this list view, and now I'm going to archive these some of these tasks so I can show you how to unarchive them. So I'm going to click on archive. Let's just delete this notification, and now we will need to go to the archive list items. Basically, you will need to click on the 3 points action, and here down we will find an option that is called view, archive, or trash. And there is an option of archive. We click on archive, and by that we will find all the archived items. Also, you can have like the deleted items if you had just deleted something. So I'm going to click on archive and go to actions, and here either you will be able to view or restore, and by clicking on restore we will have archiving our items successfully. So basically I'm going to click on restore, and we will find them here regained. As you can see, we have this task 2 and 3 that we have just deleted now. So basically this is how you can archive your items on Monday web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.